recording so that if at all somebody needs it later on, we can do it. Chalo, next example. Everybody. Next example. Example number 7. Till 6 we have finished yesterday. Yes or no? Till 5.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So example number 6. Write down. This is example 6 from our
The
textbook.
page number.
I will tell. Textbooks close, but textbooks close. Nobody's going to keep the textbook open. It is page number 101. Page number 101.
Okay. Sir.
Just a minute. Is 2352 a perfect square? Will it be a perfect square?
No.
Why?
Because it is
Because square
having
number
two
never end with 2.
Correct.
square numbers.
Never end with 2. But yes, but we are now going to do by prime factorization. Smallest multiple. See, first write the question, all of you. I will explain it to you. Okay. Take a minute. Also find the square root of the new number. Okay. Now see, children. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Where is my writing pad? Just a minute. Just a minute. Manshu, where is my writing pad? Children, pay attention here. 12. 12 is what? What is 12?
2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
2 into 3. Yes or no? 2 into 2 into 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
So will it be a square number?
No.
No.
No,
Why?
sir.
Why is it not a square number?
Because
Because
3
all
is
numbers are
But
not in
three-
pair.
Yes, correct. 3 is unpaired. 3 is unpaired. So what do we have to do? We have to do what? Multiply by 3 on both the sides.
Yes.
Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right hand side, everything has become pairs.
Yes, sir.
And left hand side is what? 36. And what is 36? What is 36? 36 is a multiple of 12. Do you know that? 12, 24, 36, 48. The third multiple of 12. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means when we multiply something to a number, then that number becomes a multiple of the previous number. Yes or no? The new number becomes the multiple. Correct?
Yes.
So now can I say, now 36 is a multiple of 12, which is a perfect square. Yes or no, children?
Yes.
which is a perfect square. And here what I would have written for 12? For 12 what I would have written? Since 3 is not in pairs. 12 is not. Hai ki nahi? Since 3 is not in pairs, 12 is not a perfect square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And let's multiply by 3 on both sides. Yes or no, children? We multiplied by 3 on both sides. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all of you first write this example below this, because this is easy to understand, which is a perfect square, and ultimately square root of 36 would be square root of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We will underline 2 and 2. Ultimately root 36 becomes, pair of 2 comes out as a single 2, pair of 3 comes out as a single 3, and 2 3s are 6. We know that root 36 is 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Sir,
Yes or
2
no,
minutes.
children? Yes, yes. Finished.
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me, what should I write here to check if what?
3 square number.
2352 is a square number.
First prime factorize it.
Correct. Very good. Let's first prime factorize it. Let's first prime factorize it. Bolo.
3 by
Sir,
2
by
by 2.
What is the answer?
2 1s are 2,
Huh?
2 1s are 2,
Correct.
2
Remainder is
7s
1.
are 14,
And remainder is 1.
6 are 12.
Again, by
2 5s are 2 5s are
2 5s are 10. Remainder is 1.
2 8s are 16.
Remainder is 1.
2 8s are 16.
Again by
2 2 2s are 4.
okay.
2 9s are 18.
Okay.
And again by 9. 4
2 4s are 8.
8.
Again by 2.
2 1s 2 1s are
Huh?
2 4s are 4s are
4s are,
Okay.
and
and 2
7.
7s are.
7 and 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. The whole number is
Yes.
divisible by 3. 3 how many is that?
3 4s are 12,
Remainder is 2.
3 9s are 27,
Next,
and directly by 7.
7 7
7s are
7
7
1s
ones
are 2 is in pair, 2 is in pair. So who is unpaired?
3.
3.
3.
So let me write it. I'm going to write like this. 2352 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3. जो भी unpaired है ना, whatever is unpaired, we'll put it at the last. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Since
Okay, sir.
the prime factor what 3 is unpaired, 2352 is not a perfect square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
To make it a perfect square, what do we need to do? We need to
Multiply both sides by 3.
correct. We need to multiply both the sides by 3. So let us do it. 2352 into 3. यहाँ पे into 3 इसलिए वहां पे भी into 3. Left hand side is multiplied by 3. So right hand side is also multiplied by 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Into 3. And now you will have to find the answer, just as we here found out. Here we found out not 12 3s was 36 as a multiple. So let me find out this answer. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 7056 is the new number. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Into 3. And now, as all the primes here are in pairs, 7056 is a square number. And once you get the square number, you have to find the square root. So square root of 7056 is square root of its factors. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Square root is equal to square root. And from we know that outside the square root, pair will come outside. So pair of 2 comes out as a 2. Pair of another 2 comes out as a 2. Pair of 7 and pair of 3. So root of 7056. Root of 7056 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 7s are 12 7s are
84.
84. So
84.
did we get the square root of 7056? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just I will write the final answer statement. Thus, always children, this answer statement is very important. Thus, 7056 is a multiple, because by multiplying you have got is a multiple of 2352, which is a square number, and its square root is 84. Its square root is 84. Any difficulty?
No, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Again, take an example. 12 is equal to what, beta?
4 into
No, re 2 into 2 into 3. So what happens? What happens?
we will multiply both sides by 12.
नहीं नहीं multiply हो गया. Okay, is not a square number. Now see.
Divide both sides by 3.
Yes, exactly. Just as we can, either you can increase the number, means either you can multiply both sides by 3, or you can also divide both the sides by 3. है कि नहीं? Because 3 is an extra. Don't want an extra term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let's divide. Let's divide both sides by 3. So what are we going to get? Tell me. Tell me. 12 upon 3 is equal to
12 upon 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 upon 3.
upon 3. Correct. And what happens? How much is 12 upon 3? 4.
3 4s are 12.
So 4 is the answer. 12 upon 3 is 4. And in the right hand side, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What remains? 2 into
2 into 2.
So now what happens? 4 is what? What is 4? Just like 30, just like 36 was a multiple of 12. Now 4 is what? Factor of 12, because we have divided.
Factor of 12.
Correct. Which is a perfect square. Yes or no, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And square root of 4 becomes root of 2 into 2. So root of 4 becomes ultimately 2, because there is a single 2 comes outside the root. Yes or no? Root of 4 is root of 2 into 2, and pair of 2 comes out as a single 2. Therefore, root of 4 becomes 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Means what? Either you can multiply by the prime which is unpaired, or you can divide by the same prime which is unpaired. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On multiplying, we get the multiple. On dividing, we get the factor of the given number. Correct hai?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Do I have to write all these things? No, we have understood. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Example 7. Finished? Have you finished this part? Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next. Example
Yes, sir.
7. Example 7. Find the smallest number. By which 7048, 9048, not 70, 9048. Must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect square. Also find, just as 12 divided by 3, the quotient was 4 and 4 was a perfect square. Yes or no? Children, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So to check, definitely we know that 9048 is not going to be a square number. Why? Because it is ending with 8. And we know that square numbers never end with 8. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So what are we going to say? Let's first
Prime factorize it. Prime factorize.
9048. So start prime factorizing 9048, all of you.
Sir, first by 2.
By 2. So what is the answer?
4,524. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8.
Okay,
4,524.
correct.
Again by
by
Hmm.
2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4.
Remainder is 1.
2 6s are 12
Hmm.
and 2 2s are 4.
Okay.
Then again by 2.
Hmm.
2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. By
3.
now by 3.
Okay.
3 3s are 9.
Hmm.
3 4s are 12.
Hey, 3 3 is 9. Remainder is 2. 23. 3 7s are 21. Again remainder is 2. And again 3 7s are 21. Okay.
Okay.
Huh. Now by which number? Not by 3, not by 5. Check by 7. Not by 7 because 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 27. Not divisible by 7.
13.
13 how many is that? 13 2s are 26. 117. 13 9s is 117, na?
Yes.
Then why come here I can't divide by 3? Something is going wrong. 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. 2 is the remainder. 3 7s are 21. 2 is 3 7, so 7 and 7. 14. 14 and 3 is 17. If I divide by 13, yeah, right. 13. 13 how many is that? 13 2s are 26. 117. 13 9s are 117. And 29 ones are. Yes or no?
Yes.
yes.
I've taken a number only wrong, children. Okay, chalo koi baat nahi. The number has to be 9408. See, in exams also we copy wrong numbers and then there becomes a big mistake. This is right, but the number itself copied was wrong. So chalo, now do it for 9408, all of you.
Sir, by 2.
Yes. Bolo.
2 4s are 8.
Huh?
2 7s are 14. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 4s are 8.
Correct.
Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2.
2 7s are 14.
2 3s are
And 2 6s are 12. Again by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16.
Huh?
And 2 6s are 12.
8 to 8 the 16. 588 रे 6 कसा येईल 2 8 the 16. 2 2s are 4, 2
2 2s are
9s are 18, 2 4s are 8.
again by 2.
2 1s are 2.
2 2s are 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are 14.
Correct.
Now by 7
3.
or by 3.
3 49s are. 7
3
7s are
7.
and 7 1s are. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Pair of 2,
Yes,
pair of 2, pair of 2, pair of 7. Again, just a 3 is extra. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we'll write it. We'll write it our required form. 9048. 9048 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2.
9408, sir.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. 9408. 1, 2, and 3 pairs of 2. 1 pair of 7 and a single 3.
S3 is
Unpaired.
not
But they have not
appropriate square.
asked. Here they have not asked. Okay, whether it is square number. We'll just say as 3 is unpaired, directly what we will say? Dividing. Na? Because they have not asked whether it is square number. Yes. We will divide both the sides of the equation by 3. Na, because 3 is extra, we'll divide by 3. Yes or no? So 9408 upon 3 is equal to all this upon 3. The 3 and 3 to the right hand side gets cancelled. What remains to the left hand side, you tell me? 9408 upon 3 is how much? 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 6s are. Is it 3136?
Yes.
As all the primes are now in pairs, 3136 is a perfect square. And then root of 3136 is equal to root of all this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So root of 3136. Pair of 2 comes out as a 2. Another pair of 2 comes out as a 2. Another pair comes out as a 2 and single 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 sevens are 56. Root of 3136 is equal to 56. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the final answer statement?
So 3136 is a factor of 904
Correct. No, but see,
9408.
read the question how they have asked. Find the smallest number by which 9408 must be divided. So what are we going to say? Thus, 9408 must be divided by 3. है ना?
3136.
Right? Must be divided by 3 to get 3136 as a quotient, which is a square number, and the square root of 3136, find its square root, they have said, is 56. Square root is 56. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Shall we complete the answer statement, all of you?
Sir, completed.
Just a minute. I'm just getting my charger. Just a minute, all of you. Yes, have you understood, children, how to get the smallest number? Yes or no? Am I audible? Are? Am I not audible? No, I guess.
Sir, the voice is cracking.
Yeah, actually.